TamilNadu students launch hybrid rocket. A hybrid rocket by private players was successfully launched from Pattipuram village in Chengalpattu district on Sunday. Dr. Tamilasi Soundararajan, Governor of Telangana, was the chief guest. The selected students designed and constructed a student satellite launch vehicle, a rocket, and 150 PICO satellite research experiment tubes that contain different payloads. The reusable rocket was made by selected top 100 students, while the rest made the satellites and can be used for weather research. Martin Foundation in association with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam International Foundation and Space Zone India successfully completed the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Satellite Launch Vehicle Mission 2023.